Sina, certainly, you know, I'm here. Awurade Nyankopɔn ɛda wase. Awurade wa wo maboro nti ane atiase. Ehe awie ya. Adi nipa ya sabra de yankra bia baabi a yakɔ Awurade. Na wasa nipa bia atiase ase so do wo akira kwai. Me da wase kwai na mu tumi no mso Awurade boy. Berabi atwa na nkian sadipa ohumobro nti wa ma ya nipa do se bebre se dia wode wonsema soma na de kumfremam Awurade nipa no so wa na ewu anu asoma se ya manna temfremam nkawo sam no tuga ma dodo akiem wo mun tiem fa nyade nyom kra nkwa se nipa pe o de aba de eba. The sound tomorrow, the minimum was a mere cotam and Hunukum. Am I a comfortable some and Casanjan were 10 years? Be out German, you may be so. So I know Basaka said back to the Tosa Nipanos. A sudden assume as it day I go see a bialo. What am I wanting to avoid as a doing that canoe? I'm in a near Banoso. No one ya bone antiam unyankopon ene nipa nan kasa kra uchra nipa su na wode wo so yam fanto wo kasa kra nipa ayi a wo bo eto ayi so ye twa wontoma printe ho cards bon wo de tito wo de kasa kra nipa so nipa ntiase nipa nte nipa su no bebre na sumu obon tewu ade wonne ya de bebre beru nim saji so dinfo bi sha nkom anaje na sura bofo bi begina ne debo dan so odi isuo to nsumuna ye e kasa kire nipa nipa nti wase odi wiase mu abode no nsakrae e kasa kire nipa e pe besia ne nipa na ka ye nya ye hu e bezu su to bra ye mfa ntu newspaper ye nya ye hu sanne ya so ina wiya be ba ye dia ye hu edimu da ye de wu so ra de ye ni ye nte won samase da wase so utime o Yesu de munti amen. Generational curse, how to break it. Kwaya ba faso I want to so no men wo be bu ma firi wo so na nkan ade bi e wo wi aso no e wa no yi wa huru na no yi a na ma wo bre busua bi nti ene dia busua mpanyimfo no ye nti busua na beda ne no me nipa bi obefiri ma ba bia no na ma ne na awo chesana ya kasa fa ho na nam be pasa mo ndi ma bi to fom yie ma ba bro man yie pa bi bia bia mu bi be nyina ya nkenka onyankopon wo kire bi su se de wo site won tena se a ero de wo kwa fa so bo ne so na asase wo ka sa won te ase a eno nchenji asase ne so o ti asem na so ti koya nyankopon fa so ye ne niema no eye wo mom no se wo hia no hu nimdie enye wo na abeja ji nyankopon sa den wo yes a hia no hu nimdie because all right so kum wo se wo kra do ko to bo nsam ne mfana ma na ho me ni so na wo no na sa so na wo ti o ja se o kra ya ne dia kra wo da wo kwan so kum wo sa se wo kra na kam to ntimi ni nyame ntwe manso to kire ni suba kiro wa mfa so obese o de hwe nansa school enjire nyame nim die o ja se school no kire nyame abode ehu nim die ba nyankopon no ankasa hu nim die no school enjire to obi awie university abobo degrees o san ebo sunsun ni obi tire o ye lecturer o university so illuminati o yi nyankopon ni o ye atheist o yi nyankopon ni what does it? Then na Psalm 14 ka say ododo nchire Osiam no makwa ni mu ono hu say the niate. So Bible hu so ye dudunchie. We be na me kire wa so say ye ka so bi dudunchie a say we jimi pro kwase aso. Obviously, I'm in Psalm 40. I'm in Jeremiah. Remember Exodus 20. The 12. In Yankopon nam na dum so de marriage. Last week, the generational curse. Until never how to break the generational curse. Obviously, Bushiemu ipe brepa. Bushiemi wa bose yare ebu nkama bushiano so. Etwere yare. Bi wa ewuo basabasa. Ebi wa emumma nyaware. Bi wa mumma mentment na obaba ko ho nware no. Okofa we nu agya no, okofa we nu agya no, okofa we nu agya no. Obviously, no many dem sa ni papa bi ba esa, ono so ba esa na je da esa na da ho tie bushiano akwa bushiano jenjan bi. Bushiabi also out to say, Chaza, one Ghana Koran Bushia, from Bushia, Panus Besia Palaso, one Ghana, Unya. We are human known as Capa is a BBC Messicana. Never way you know one Sasio, and what you afraid. Then the Yasuki, men cockasset. The American Mamma called him a drew, some 40. Also, the don't cheer as soon as Kumum said, when Uncle Pobino. A young woman saw what done you cheer. Say na kuma musa onyankopon bi ebe what you say ti ono na hunu no ho sase na niate ti school entre nya minum die what you say entre nyankopon abode ye ne hu nim die but entre nyankopon no ankasa ho enim die ti wo hia nwoma akoko school akọ akira na entre se wunim nyansa what you say the bible say nyansa mfiti ase en nyankopon suru ti se wo so nyame na ye bosunsun ni ya wo da so titi ni Unyanse yansesuase. Never be why a simple sa wotiase. Nyame suro so ene wo tabo ni. Ubi o tabo ni bi ara ese nyame suro wu. Onko bone ho da. Otiase. Oya ne tien onko bone ho. Da di pare so suro Nyankopon. Yese di Nyankopon ye ka se o wi ase be se ya na di brika ko hedem. Ye suro no ho, ye sa suro na. O ya ka se o ase wo so be ba no ko hete ewu ase. Ye sa suro na. Bi o so Nyankopon bi ano bo se otai bone onko bone ho da we tien bone onko so bebusa Proverbs chapter 8 verse 13 o se wadi so ene bone tai ewadi so ero ne bone tai nti obi so Nyankopon a se nipa no mpe bone o twempra so wie nguma nhye nyina kosi tire ufa wo yere ufa obi yere ka wo yere ho uja o yiri so na na mkrofo yire no so o ye luminati utu nuro ta so ba fi we nyina to abrabom na o se wodi mo nyansa wo bo a nyansa mfiti ase no eni se wo so Nyankopon to we guy some count down obi hunama obi frama na wo me da ko akoma ji se ki we university ni ntimi ntom frama mawo to dey be wo so di nyansa to straight away now to the hair canals but from Exodus chapter 20 be a dreadful. When we are university now, we are right reverend. Post who could tell be an umbrella form. Cow post Katakana Nanka, Wako Boss or no assassin of Yakotna. And the because a while no while would do also. But you who oppose I can see me and as a high would depend you be. Who that will be that the atlas. What else you have quite a must any pub. What does my guns? To post Kakaka in a Nyansan who named the other positions. Ya wo ye wo wiase nyina machi no sase Nyankopon asase so na wote Nyankopon frama na wo home wontimi nya bi da free se wo ba wiase opon wo nguma hye bebrebe nyina no wo da wo Nyankopon na de ti wiase na sa ka se wa wo ne wa ujiako be ti wo fi asase so da ko akodu asamado sa no mo hellfire ho na de suye mi so ma ho so be ho ase Exodus 20 na wadi Nyankopon kan sebe nyina sai de ye wade Nyankopon me yi o misiri masase so enkwafie mu no enya nyame foforo enka me the trace from Old Testament the see New Testament what you see me say na me konkas enya nyame foforo enka me enya ohoni bia se de Roman for yesi aso dem na nya papa untie ni ukọ Roman asori amon kan kire mo popufo no se ne ma monuments ne statue ma yesi so dem no nya Nyankopon asem tia enye bi saso en koto no sore wo Ode. Why yes mu da binu sisi mu da binu mu we say komade bi na dan ko mu de Yesu cross ato so ka se we na edi ni pe konkoyi. Cross na da ko mu na tie. 9. Me ka kira mu sa. Ya senua bia na Yesu asenua o. Ebi ya kromfo asenua. Ebi ya wudifo asenua. To ya senua cross e da obi ko mu na change so a. Ada so bi ho aro ye kromfo, bi ho na o ye wudini. Na Yesu nko na ye de sa asenua so. Asenua na ya miensa. Timudi ya he da ko mu. Kromfo de ba ko, wudini de ba ko, Yesu de ba ko. Nti wo suba yi na kire asenua na da ko mu. Wo suba no na kire. Ye katene na yabrabo a ye cross on da ko masema be Yesu ene ni wo na senu ye di cross no ho asam ne yaka ba ye de tu iko mo de gugu ko mfanza e da ko mu no die o wo ko heaven anu no udi ago verse 4 enyo honi bia na adea e wo wiem wo so ana de wa asase so e wo fom ana de ewo nsuom ewa asase ase ensa so bi amfa e command o se enkoto wo so ana mu butubutu ya se efrema bi butu so ase wa so boko a me nko hoda so de mate do so mu bo ade ya so boko a bono statue bi sisi ona mu butubutu ase en koto wo mo ne sore wo mo e bosom awosom ba wo ne wo maso se de ya kanu so se ya gba bi anse obi awo e ye dane jo kira nkwa ka mu ne ye wo no ye mu bube ati ase nsori bi wa wotimu a wonya nkwaje o so sori fi o da wani be kan gusu na beti de yan kiasi nza de yan kan ye be tare zo ya mi adum ya bro tai so verse 5 Exodus 20 verse 5 verse 5 says na point no kesi was it na me ewurade wonya nkopon me wonya nkopon ni nkotwe na nkopon ni nkotwefo a me tua ajanom amumu yo so ka Itia mu ajanum boni o ajanum boni a obadie so ka mefa emaso nikosi awonto atoso miensa ene enan a o time so o tre unsuban utimi musa mesa de ne yankopon tesa o yi du so ba bia tra onto no so ya wonhihye yi ya wo ne nyame wo so no wo no wo so yankopon ne nhihye na wo so di achi wo pese yankopon so mo wa ko bo so no wasase se de bi ka kan na ono be pe bi mfa no na burufu won so ipa bi o wa utumu se wo hu dia ha ko verse 6 ko se awon to so a tria janu mu yo so ka efa emma so e ko se awon to so a eto so miensa ene nan so enti e fra papa bi eja kwasi a awon to ne mu ne ma na e ba na awon to so e bi kai ne ma no eto so mienu no ne ma miensa ne ma emma etnahi yankopon tumi fra wo mu se wo bo so pa se nkola no pa na omo so betai o yankopon se de omo papa tai yankopon no wo mba so mbo so se de omo papa so mbo so no wo bo bo jaman se de omo papa de jaman bo ne bra no wo bo win san se de omo papa wo win sin wo ma no so hyiawa wo so betua mo kafa wo ma no so akositi munya ho to ofie oda I want to tell you the way you find to want to mon papa to generational case mon pe binti o search evangelist Paul Ewua e wo YouTube wo be hunu sa message ho o person am number na friend 024 117 1896 024 117 1896 wo be nya me life na se mi the person be pop creation wo ni wi ase se de nyame a program wi ase nda fa nka na mu abe careful tibi ko fa obire na te ho tumi so fa ho adi okra o ye bone onu na bewuo Ezekiel 18 enti wo bewu bata wo no to so na e ba no ma na e ba no wo mo ko bed the cost ko face punishment so one sakra na di wuya so wo ma no so by the twa wo German and wo wa share no apeta se wiya no so a ma bu twa ba ni muntie wo ko Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 15 wo se wo nue ba mama ebi no mo na yi me musa hwe o madagem wo de nsan ku wo de drug ku nsan mama ba ya bi anoma bo wa yam wi wa puto bi ya franco ntomira ya nkwai ama baya bi adi aduane bi aboro no akɔfa no akɔhwɛ na gagam wɔsi due akaw no wasefo ti wo ba bi a ɔbɛwo no ɔbɛtoa saa wo bɔne suban no so a no many teenage ti wo huru ne ho ano abrabɔ mu da due nda so ti asɛm yi ti na amani ani pe hunu ne no mo musa mo papa no mo a mo twam kɔ mo tia mo kyerɛ abusa na ba kɔsɛm da mo hunu di ntia mo hunu mo sa Shebi we ya from Moba. Mani bresa ango. Unko buza papa no ko Genesis chapter 20. Ye bi Malek. Kwa ya odi obi yire faso. O papa no ba wi aso mo fan krofo yire no. Bi kwa ti dipon ni asa na wo wura. Laka zo fa hu adiko. Wa tomi ho ne wasefo. O do bo buza wunyi ni ba. Na nnedo. Ye pese point ti o kwa ya ba faso obi dwane free sa no mi nu. Ama wo tina ne ba nti dame nkɔ kase pasa o kenka Bible no bebre 3:6 Exodus chapter 20:6 Awurade wo yiri suba di kyerɛ wɔne sɛ wo ba wo papa bɔne odi ya no wo so bɛtoa so dibia wa bɔ odua aka wo ne ohu nsuo wo spends ade benyin sɛ nyina adom ya fra ti nyame ni suba no wo ntimi nkasa ada ne Nyankopɔn kyesa yo na bɔ so ne asase ɔna ayɛ na de ɔno wo kyerɛ wo ni suba verse 6 wo se na me ya empema wo domi na wo di me mra nsem so no adoye empema wo domi na wo di me mra nsem so sabre mra nsem du na ne wo se the last maker o di ba shade so wo nanti masem wo di ba sem na ye adwuma wo na wo domi no no mu di ma shade so no empem ne ba pem kwa na sefo empem ne be ba kora no me ye wo ma doye na mami nko David abrabo bochero onzo ko Galatians chapter 6 verse 7 to 10 was it the only people na no an odetwa yes pros or this are the way out tinde ni pa ba de hunu no a obo hia mo nam nsore dem na roba ba na wa bo musa busua na line na dem no mo hali se bo a tinde no bi du se de be se break case so na you careful simple yesikatua ya fada bo bra se the deep fat true bi ye te bi du so abetias na ko fa pranko bra na nantwie mo ja asema na le simple te se wa nhuna ona di fa trofo no wo be de banto ale nkika du tua mo sam ka ho wo fa wi ya no tua waka na ma me pa mu te se wo pa he se de onyam su tio wo ti odi fo trofo bi dem na o tua waka du wo mu ho ni ma se sha wonni ni ma bi hunnim di ntua to mo yam sa na me pa se wo tua ni yango pasem Exodus 20:6 ho woni se wo ba wiase na se wo do Awurade wo papa bone wo ja no bone wo ma me no suma bone wa nua kire bi wo de wo do Nyankopɔn so yi ni to a odo ye no kire se ya da so ya de bone fo no Kristo be wu ma ye wo ta sam na se nti so much to accept Jesus me be ba so se si wo fa Yesu so kra no agye nkwa wo ka boni ni ache wo mu ho firi ho na wo dane firi ho a na be ba so akere wo ese wo do Awurade no usika no ho wo do nipa bia wa koma wo kra no nipa bia wo ma obusuafo wo tro mo ba Yesu mu tese Yesu ho adwuma na wo pɛ ase wo do Nyankopɔn se wo be ye ni bibi ana ba boa na nkrofo ana se wo ne ho bibi no na me ho bibi wo do wo se wo yes habia ese wo nhia papa boni ni bi te de sanki wasifo pem obeye o ma doye akosi amemye ke reference to the David Yasefo David First Kings chapter 11 verse 34 and 36 Jasemi the Bible told First Kings chapter 11 verse 34 and 36 what does it Tama Solomon se sama be ma ba ko pepa wo yo hene de wo pe na aye wa kunya no so o mfa nyame ahye de anya adwuma eso nyame na ma onyansa de otra kunya no so Solomon wo yire no mo nko amako 700 wo mpona 400 aden e de be pa no problem tina ko Ecclesiastes chapter 1 wo say we num nyina ya huhudie ma huhudie e ma no fa sai ya saba kan yo kukuku awo pri na obewu wo de kwai wudi ma Awurade wo bebre papa ye mo wi ho ade ata ho e ade ata ho ye Nyankopɔn hyehyɛ wo de apɛtɛ so na e ba wo bra because we sisunti udia bibi atiwa bushia so ene wankasa wo so tinna omo mu huna mani bebrebe nna no untresi omo start omo nshase First Kings chapter 11 fufumu be bi kati du bako etemo bia sana wo se na nso on the Solomon ye bone no Israel busuako ni nyina ahye ne nsawo but wo ye bone no all Nyankopon Emma na kola Jeroboam no ebe Solomon akola Nyankopon fa kwa bi so ma ne kola ni kum Solomon ti Solomon wuyi o ohinya otie konya so a usisi aboso tai ha na wan sababo no wa hemfo no nwoma o ya ko sa hemfo no tira bi itodo bi 17 kanena printing press ni ho sa na de wo yi o se wan kasa wa hini tira bi to ho na kinkai o ma ne yire no mu no so to se command ya se ban kan you to bere be kase kwa ya hemfo no bebere bu konya now ahemfie pai na busu isi ahemfo no bebere ba tan o manya firi Nyankopon ho tum bo so ni no e wa de ba ba to the power because the say am say wo hu omobo because also bu hu say ye wa hiri mu hire ade ewu ado ewu anom ewu ade wo it is tight bia ne ukoyi ne kuta u bia no wo supreme power bi diusu wo fa sa busu mu empie nyame yiri mu so an to ewu ansaka wa dwene the Solomon ne yiri no mako 700 and pan for 300 wasisi abosom da ma obia ugate Nyankopon sa ko metua na ka sare bi nyumate ko punish wo wu is straight wa nwie ni nyuma ko do te ahini no o ze Israel fo ne edumielu o te ahini no mu 12 o te 12 no free ni nsam no odi mu 10 e ma na kola Jeroboam ya sam ni yo ya na fisa wo de obeye bia na sila ko nyana be ko aka wonsa wo be wu Nyankopon te free Solomon sabo wo de aba Jeroboam na kola Solomon na kola ana Solomon no ankasa ne ba ye fe Rehabiam diri Rehabiam ana Nyankopon de ahidie ne ba ko pe e ma no ti asem ni yo kese on sa ni monyam no enka e free Solomon akonya no so ba ye ntie de Nyankopon sam kai verse 34 First Kings chapter 11 verse 34 was na nso menye ne nsam ahidie do nyina na makoa David ya mafa no a odi be mransam odi me nsesaye onante masemu na wanante abosom semu wanante akohwie mu no onante bashabia so ni nti David nti wose besi no oman so epani ne nkwa enna nyina Nyankopon hye ne bosa se besi ni man so pani ne nkwa enna nyina verse 36 the David ba ya to ho ana esemu Israel konwano a antrian free Israel nsem ka konya na yira ka nimunam na yira ka mpunto na yira papa na mama ya wutie me abusua ya wufiri mu ye bo wuto ni monyamo nso mu mpani fo na di kan no edi bone na wo so ba ya na kohwie adwamanta kisam na wo so be di achi ya wonto ato aso e ta me e to so mi ensa ne nan so ni triaka te no me da papa no so me di achi aso nyansa wat gana je okra nko abusua ya ni monyamo abusua pa so de de aye bu osika so heavy ni no obi osika bebrebe nyina de kobu nsam je onse sika bebrebe am wo nyina mo mpe Yesu akira kwai ya pam di da sunsun honhom na pam ma firi Nyankopon apam ma firi Yesu no odi wiase agapade ama wo ana waye twon na wona na ho di akoni aba da ko petim wo wie ko piasa ma do aseta abeka se mistake wan she nyansa che ti wo be biyo be wie aso wi verse 36 First Kings 11:36 was na ne bano me de abusuan ba ko ebe ma no ne baro Rehabiam Solomon baro Rehabiam ne abusuan ba ko be ma no ya sem ni yo ne abusuan ba ko be ma no na ebe ya tio ya ba pin san kai hobi ti verse 36 was na ne ba no me de abusuan ba ko ebe ma de ebe ya na kanea atana ho ama makoa David sabere David ye wu koda da wo de ebe ye na kane abetena wo mama ko David enna nyina ewo manim Jerusalem kura meyi mafase mede nidin ebeto ho batase David nti ne Nyankopon ja hingere ba ko pe ema Solomon asefu emuntu akose Solomon akoa ye fe Rehab Jeroboam ensem na ne ba Solomon ba Rehab afa hingere ba ko pe na hingere ba ko so ye Lewifo Nyankopon enkofo yi fa Jeheo hwe bone a omudi Nyankopon ko te abuhye na fi Solomon nsem but David nti David papa ye David nanti obananti nyame asede mu nti 2 Kings chapter 20 verse 6 ai fongu metoso bi Tracy Adito ai furu bebrebe ho ai yentam moja mu nkonwa no so munkum ni pamfa ne moja amra saa ne papa no ye ja no saa no na na me show enem be no Yesu abawo moja be bia na akɔhwe atuagu saa moja na mu hwie tugu bebrebe no katugu twani pati twankokogu nkonwa so kum nwan ne niema de ya afasa hodo no mu no very dangerous busia bia ni ti esa sa bosom na se no me da no so no me da busia no so ya mu ntesi be se bum ba kwa wade ye papa ma omo o ti ase ye ka sam no so you have to believe it. Okay. 2 Kings chapter 20 verse 6 2 Kings 20 was our area na wade be papa bi wo da kola kitikiti bi e wo fa ba pa ni kama nka ukun kutani mu nyam so na kola kitwa bi na to was our ref ya kan si ye be kan be bo amra bu trese busu no ai fo mu beto so bi enu jedu no 2 Kings 20 verse 6 David nti was na me din fi shadu num beto Ezekiel no me din fi shadu num beto ni fie me din fi shadu num ebeto wona so na mejo ani kroyi afiri Assyria hensem na mabokroyi ho ebai mea ne makoa David nti aka sam na so mea ne makoa David nti ya wo Ezekiel ya wo mpa ebo tenten a wo bo wo papa aye nsese papa bi atowa na odada ana ne hawa ba ana wabo mpa bi atere no makai wo papa bi suba papa wo dan ne dinu ana be bi ahira wo te bu horo baba sam no wudi ta ni pa sum no ma me ana papa wonni man ko dwane abedo awurade o so be dwa awurade a o so be ye wadoye o do na obeba be ye wadoye. The 1 Kings chapter 50 verse 4 and 5. 1 Kings 50 listen that my hand out and your teachings na you had done your preachings now teachings are either free sorry munti ye bum for faso but so take you maybe ase ai fumu medical eti dunu ejitemu aya enai edunu 1 Kings 15 verse 4 and 5 was that David nti awurade ene Nyankopon ema no kanea Jerusalem se obema ne baso asi na chiri na wa ma Jerusalem agina efise David eyo de etene awurade ani so na wa ma ne mfi bibia osaya ne ho ne nkwa ena nyina jese hetini Uria asam no nko am otase the David ni Nyankopon nante nyame ahyediem na no nante na ne mistake na jama na ware say ba ko okoyeye ene hetini Uria ye what's the Bible na record ato ha ti de wu sabre David wo ko years back wo record egu ho ti na nanu ni mpanyimfo amutie me no me shram muntwa sapapa ncho ni tresi ade abesi Ghana the state of Ghana now se Ghana da so Islam bi mu what's that Gold Coast no na kwa nkroma no tia no Ghana Gold Coast no and abe Hepec and borrowing cost I am with one edi mines ti don be kan tira na edi akiri e man ya to tiye wo da wudi mu di plipati akose se na ron ko fo bi da sesa mramare ye pe sabe mampanyini bi obeba na waba beji sa o man ye free sa no mi wo da bi tresi ba na tias Gold Coast no mutu to man mu ha you know what's really happening on the ground waba ye treni pa mu tegu montre so ku kum ni pa twa di papers la sama no kali yo rituals Yama TV kwan ama abosonso fo we die ya Exodus 20 e ya bosom ni ntini Nyankopon de curse no me to sa won to so bi obedi a church ya man kwa ma TV stations no almost all the TV stations you promote aboso ya be kan boa o to ma yimu ya sa no kan yi e de nuro keke o sa jama ya tese o ma yimu what I say nuro keke herbal medicine for ya o bo tun ton nuro emura nuro no tesa toto no ma be to na monten no yanka bema ebedina so ansa oba se be na se a eno so be ye niema bi aboa bema na esa duro nipa no wonton ti nuro ni na kan chamansam wom tu be jenu mu bema wo bema hwan me boa monka uda woni bi abosom edwaman mo je fiekuro e koso wo manu ti ma we nyame nso da so uda me baso ti so David ne ba Solomon ona ne nana Abia Abia obedi hene Yankopon say mema soroma kanea atra David fie because sa Abia no o se David ebusu anu tini paro so di bone a Yankopon be David abrabo bi no dey save the past nti yiri ayire na okofa no eni David ne bone enso ko 50 wire David sugo nyame so sakrai what you say Nathan odifo Nathan nim 2 Samuel chapter 11 and chapter 8 chapter 11 and chapter 12 Nathan nim David book to get started so be show me you are the father born in church Psalm 51 and not try the born in faith you won some nina very good David is sakrai and so still ana abe can be aton also say what don't think Yankopon say dem kama just say on the ayibi turning point in yabeto just say ti wi ase de wo ye bia na record to ye careful okay me dey be kanya so some chiro pa no afa the 2 Kings chapter 8 verse 19 2 Kings 8 verse 19 ai fomu beto so ye etimotwi titemu edunkoro o se na nso na koa David nti awurade ampese o se Yuda o ta se de o kasera ne se wo be ma no ne ne mma emu kanea enanyina nyamia kan enjo generational curse no ti de ajano ba ya to ho na be yensura de amane papa say ade papa no ye ya ade fonso na ajano ba ye ya na be ye no me ade busuan so o ta se Abraham ebe wiase Genesis chapter 12 Genesis 15 Genesis 22 Abraham eye nsira ma awurade udani fa busumfie ni papa fie ho o ta se na ho ne Terah no masefo no bi Abraham odwane fi abusumfi ho na Yankopon direct ni ke na saso ana Abraham ye suti ma Yankopon bo ba afode ma Yankopon ti Yankopon ere ne be ye one what I say ti Yankopon be se Sodom ni Gomorrah was eti be ye bi Abraham mi ye so ntire Abraham na because o tete ne ma so ma ne masu me Genesis chapter 18 ya sala no kan yo Tina Abraham nti ke Israel for enshira Yankopon shira wo Papa nsabra me kan no nyankwahye asebi na me keka kiro tresi abusia de na ama nanam amanfo nam so refie na ro baba na me kiro wo nhuru kwan abefa so na de no ansa wo de aye mpaibo na adifo so ntimi nka no kwan kiro so de e ka kiro because wo nim fe babu be throw history apakosam no ba na be do be siase mi so Abraham the papa or yes a treasure be seen in maso Israel asefo country be the better conquer Israel what a chance what can te pa so mo ko boni mu pa bo se urade ho mobo wa kai Abraham wo the same wo o ja se na wo Adam so Adam asefo se woni Genesis 3 verse 17 to 19 ana era ni tu ni panu sa na de yeko no me no ana ekwa ke so also ba en kum ni pa hwehwe mojagu se wunya president pa wo ye wicked leader wunya president antimo dey the do man so e man ni na run into cash so babo so de bonye ni do man so man ni si apeni ade na ya kan e be ba se nyawo na o nyawo no afmo bat Be a president or Shemo Jagu. What come will be no other Falcon and Edition. Be a Shemo Jagu and a Subano. And Jima Musumo Mayumo, and I'm saying Uncle Pop will fix our president in it. I got the also one man back home. 99.9 FM. What the boy do a man's or many sipping. Share. So, second Samuel chapter 3. Samuel move to Subi. The word trouble, I am Panina be do a man so. So bon pay, say we are the new one. Kofani Pebia be so. Because I be home brave every week. There are some I can eat. You know, be Tracy about so much. Here we come back so you push our no near my toy. Second Samuel chapter 3, verse 1. Was in a good year that saw fee, any David a fee, and Tom actually. Now, David dear, or Corso, a year there. I didn't fear we would dear. Yamigu Swissra or woman and animal banning slada almost Nananam and cancer in slada almost David fear dear, or Corso, a year there, and Slanqua. Almost a soft form heavy, suit me so many or heavy home, or when I was so almost heavy. To the shot of your wasn't a saw a fear or also a hojoya or cozu hojoya. A mani and petty order, now they saw feared. Mephibosheth. So no way I are for a good if you are David Kwaku, a Tamone, Jonathan, a woundy. Papa, the trouble, dear you. While you're making you are translated trace of Bush and the Hardy. I have already a menenka. I have. What I say, 1 Kings chapter 21. Last week, the Bobo went in our house. Maybe Tracy, quite much of a book, generational case, let's see, was 1 Kings 21. So, we have verse 25 from the Zohar. Echosi, verse 29. Was say, I have to do who was said, obey you are dearly so pony, face and the year bathroom Jezebel, and a hanging animal demon. To the Abana Cano, say you will send your Lord your children. So, Dankopon to me, Bushiano. Was here? Sunday, where I was not coming up to a funny moment too. What she would get up and a corner. The no man but your die. Now, the Baba or Babreson. The no man of Bao Babres. What has a message? Who to see Jericho Sabakosemo? Joshua chapter 6, verse 1. What would two first you see Israel for Quainty? Okay, see verse 26 last verse no. The man Yankopon for Joshua so to me kum. The Jericho Krono, yet the Ewu, Moja, Nipa Moja, from the total Fatimon. Until call for woman more. Last we moved first part in generational case. Meaning I'm a trace room. Now, Chrono for any say no mapo. Obunya as a chrono ensure no mono and mopo. A dear be a business I want to just say. What I say? I say Moab or so. Moab. Genesis 19. To me, a person named Force read. Because in some of power. Genesis chapter 19. Verse 36. Was in a lot of mamma, you know. And you know, saying, woman, mamma, you know, lot of mamma, you know, and you saying, woman, papa, Papa, no die. Papa didn't die. Hey, Papa, rapist. Or Baby said, John, one man, Papa, and Papa, verse 36, verse 37. Or say, now, Abakano, I will Babarema. What was that? Where are I free? Verse 35. Verse 35. Genesis 19, verse 35. Just me. Or say, now, what my omaja and son Elnoy, and I don't know, also. Now, Kumano Soreko, Norina Jakodai. As I son, somebody could fufu. Somebody Kabankune man did you. Papa did you, Wabo. Jafe ne mano, one orphan a mana, one the man and him. We tell the Abio. There were 37. Was an Abacano, or Babarema, Lord Tunudi, Moab. And then Moabo, a jack, Moabo for a jack, and the Bessina. And a Kumano so, a woo, or Babarema, Lord Tunudi, Ben Emmy. That means armor for no, also any armor for Bessina. And you got Deuteronomy chapter 23, verse 3. And my arm of one and more before the time and coupon for Israel. As you trace about Cosamanka, Lord, you of an Abraham. Come here, Bushabako. A friend of comfort from Berry as a Jamaima Mojaframa. Tiasamana Canio. Oh, what will be no sign wedding in the action? Mojaframa Jamaima. What I say? What about the throwing at one day? Who so far as I would only suffer woody. I want to transform me and son and I will time it. Told me about pussy. The same man I will. The real way. I buy you the power. Just about question I make control. Let you make us a boy. What would it do? It's Deuteronomy chapter 23, verse 3. Yankopon say, I'm on me and I'm one me and see myself muda. Yankopon told me one. She don't about Israel. Israel for trying to acquire a cocaine. Or my boy Israel for all my mom shall or would you put hatred to be the man Israel and some community. What does American say? Yankopon told me one. And I'm quite fast on my baby as in tea. Just me. Oh my Ghana. Into a money. Sadia I am for a shame with you. If you don't come break any line and cocoa, said the one can. I said, Ben, I him for the moon and cocoa in your can go so. Just how you Timpa, you follow me with the minus or a bit more, with the good Tanamian Sabah. But it was a shame with the good moment in your post. What does American say? Ti omanti ye freezer. Sikampo anu, adane bosia bompo anu. What does say? But now last week I catch up say Ghana flag red, yellow, green. I don't see the black no. Black star bay and some paint they black. Can some Williams say black here. What does American say? Thomas, Homada on Timber Translate. 9. Symbol biano. Symbol as a Sudia biano or the General. Go be a gold no red and a papa no more job with your gumai. And 50 and gold, Anna Asia no green. Your forest. And in 50 gold no solo, and a black and apple. Tigana, Sikampo, China for the few of my country, no more best as Sikambiaco, no more maybe. So you are season is Sikan. They make me poor, would be we are from American construction church. That's a some make it. The Ghana flag and woman change you know. That black in the dancing, you know, a tiny paya. Na bring essentially symbols come the Kasachra or Trawashi. Will be Bibiana or Pau. Say, I'm Kapazwa, road sign in the Chicago, Yadinanti. One for road signs, and then you my pet, Ubenam Conservative Mudem. The sign, tis a woman for Swa. And I say for NDC, a solo for NPP no. When you sign in few, Namomian Ross are NPP NDC. Symbols like Kasapa. Okay. Sikawo also near the black and atom. Indeed, will be as well see. Tinkophobia and on Babes Sako. The Chaba Cosambio. To my way, I wish it. Yasama clean. Can what do for Kwam Yaman for us? Maybe let you hear. Mitchell, Cophobia, we are saying, I'm not doing one more. I'm not doing one more. To the son and I say, Mobile Yasamon toward a Janum, yes, Sana, Yabapa, Cosini Moon, yet at Tenusan, and Sana, Intelligent Group was some call. Upon Yamiasamato. Jasmine, Cophobia, when Yamiam to me home. Matthew chapter 25, verse 40 and 41. Matthew 25. Verse 40 and 41. And then me catch them some me head and preaching. Be teaching maybe, but when you bounce on it.
99.9 FM.
Sikafoko bene nyafo. Adentia. Ti nyamempe o mani dia chindie. What say? Ti animonyam na firi man. Kakoko diamond the bauxite timber. Kasa dia na Ghana ha na ni. Ye Yankopon gold no yesa ye kwa ape. Na wa ba ye petrol. Fu en ye turu from Ghana ha na wo. Ye tu petrol ha so ye petrol wo. Wo ewu ade beba. Wa disika ni bibia be hu wa wi. So Matthew 25. Matthew 25. Okay, verse 40. You can't see 41 so. Mammy Fancy 41. Was there? No back castle on our walk, been common and so say. Mua, Tomimo. Mumfree me sonko, da o ja was yes, about one something above room. Let them go for me when I'm not Tommy home. Don't come with some. Oh, we are the power. She am coupon Tommy home. So I didn't hear. You resort you. Was no anybody we asked what say. No crime is some say. Some man ya ma minuanom enketwa yi mu ba ko yi. Minuanom enketwa mu ba ko mu anya ma me. Nti omu ti mo they wicked people. Omu weska, so omu here. Omu ti mo king. How does he get a good banks? What I say? When you follow me, I do a foreign countries. A man who goes to school. God has school when you to me. I have school, man, I'm on the down on the maternity school. I didn't think I wouldn't the school. I was somewhere buying penny for me. Now I'm for a school, mamma for school now what today. Now they are body on the coast school about it. Now I need to cast more on my room. I didn't hear muddy Eddie and course I took. My musica, so you see, can you day on my room? Me, I'm tell you, we track us more than 200 Ghanaians. Obi Tiamo Sadebre. Then you trembling for the car. Now you tell us, I am Quasa, and for be so no answer, Quamoko. I don't know my mom from Madame Hospital. I'm Robo Carmanone. We are here. I don't know Quaha Hospital. They don't quite good. No man would be hospital. No man will be hospital.
9.9 FM.
I will tell you, I need a year. I don't know, maybe a year. The Americans say, Quasa, we are from the catcher. I said, two more things. Deeper, you have always a cable museum, and we shall many people who tell one more. Then I made a papa pony the and so I saw that so. Concussano or cover. We a wicked person. But who once I can have a cobble something. You couldn't hear catcher. So I said, what people some call? Diamond who was yes, what people some call? What's your sister and who did the amount? Thou was yes, I'm all born something above for them. Cause Usubanya, that was about to say born some. We keep on time. In Kumani, we want to one yama home. Now, my main quality of this one. Yes, you can say, sir. Mana minianum monkey to a mubaku. Mana menso. Yes, you nianum, Yawakan, woman and nephew. And now, my phobia is go to Babono. The Corinthian Ibia was say, yes, you say, why yama me, Unia me, say, why yama means, why yama yes, who Corinthian yes, you know. Two nip after so yes, you know. I bet you yes, you know. Barbara Moka Munkani in Pablo some quotation here. The Matthew chapter 20, verse 10. Matthew 28, verse 10. Matthew 28, the yes, you know. Verse 10. Or say, other yes, I say one sense. Munso, Cassandra Mary and Tama yes, who sorry him, was a Munso. Monko cancer million say, a heavy for once and walking. As you have for no once. Peter no omnensa, Peter and Fobe, Peter when you are Mexica, Peter uncommonly pantuum, Peter on your rapist or renting Timon Golan, Peter on first school from Gola, Peter on no being hacker. Million no more, yes, and cough for no. To all, what you really, wouldn't we, no son. Oh, yeah, bring some any control, and then they come for your supermarket. One man chap every power. John
19.
Mark chapter 3, verse 35. Mark 3:35. Matthew chapter 12, verse 50. Yes, you can for telephone. Romu yenya pebiano. Omo won no mu yenya nkopon pebiano. Because minuanom ne wo mu. Minuanom ne wo fa se ne nananom ne ma. Ene wo. Awo woyere no mu 2 3 4. Akohwie na hobo. Oba ya de waye oni pebia. Di nku pa de oni nkoyo. What you say? We Germany ba o say Yesu se wa anya ama minuanom nketo mu ba ko. Yesu nuanom ene nkofo masakra. Kofo mu ki Yesu asem. No mu yenya kopon pedi. Ko Jesu sam dia ma o ya kika. To say mo fi me so nkoma wa tome mo. Te no me dan kofo bi so. Na na me pesa me ka kira o say. Wo beti me twa no me num. Die. The Numbers chapter 23. Numbers 23. Mr. Wonder men for call we are. We are a chill with my friend personal number. The time we summer me far. You can run them. We be how to break generational curse. Reference in a person of your the Numbers chapter 23. You perceive channel me move the passion. Curse. And a man lady by a home toil. A kitty paviana beka, ya hun shuaka, yen mine akayan sase. Quite a first of the children the year. Numbers chapter 23, verse 8. Numeri tell you Numeri and Chimumochi. Sabra Babaking, the Embeking Kay, not Barak, Moab, Barak. Some Moab no America. Barak, no Wassuman, say young Conco, Dome, Israel, into a foul deep for Fumbi, a friendly belly. Si can liberty for. When I go for si come the bread now has the sham come, over brepa, belly a massive. And she would the party sorry, Sika or the Bemu DMT, and I know I can. There is a Google who had certain the near Chine, the Nano, Memorial, the Nipper be a true near Gunuso, or Mosika do to be Cannabon in German in Sacramco heaven. Sika Wogiano, so did that Samo Korea with some G. Now this also give for for Yamido Hubejo. So when we have power. The barrier, I don't know. Yes, it's here. Numbers 23, verse 8. The barrier no cause so come to me Israel for. Israel for no year bonnet, Abraham. To know to me and ye. That the barrier am not catching a Balak. The barrier am not a catching a Balak. Wasn't a barrier dying. Numbers 23, verse 8. A barrier dying. And I told me the Onyankopon and no man. And then go for the Onyankopon no me. Was it a bad time? And I put the Onyankopon mood to the dia. And then go for the Onyankopon dia. If you also no me home. Till the no man that a son or heaven. The no man that a son or home some do. Well, you will waste. So we have verse 23. To Ukabe 11 and 12. But I'm being on the side of Israel for purpose and Adanisha. I'm better to catch us say, a man, Yankupon no me. Bra Yankupon chay, Sakawati bra, Yankupon chay for Jesus Christ. Never yen shram many people. Said the bear won't talk to us on Domino, Yankupon toy, the Diwachi, a free was so close to 1 pin so. The other liberty Yamun down low. Said that I was 3 room me, I say. No, by saying shram, then I'm here, shall us as well. Wouldn't say Yankupon ban and jay, but you folk and Dimungu. What I open and show ya, no demon can touch your life. As some great quality be a terrible some pets. To who require for some. You are somebody you. Tibali and Pian and say, to me, purpose are not 10 years. Because Israel for ye, no me abia. Mammy on Koji will be cool. What I say, on Tower, they are so 2 million ye. Mammy no be Yaka. Papa no more than it. On Kokum will be to them, on Famba will them. Papa no. One fanima or then a man chimpa. Papa Namia said him no disu. Papa one fan for Papa Nantina Copo Sidium. One Nantina Copo Sidium. 2 minutes a year. Verse 23, Numbers 23, verse 23. Was Ampa at the Bisabi Jacob. Now, and come say in Israel. A friend of Becca, Jacob, any Israel who said, and then we go for you. What I say? Omo Kristo Yesu na febu ni homa. What I say? Just me. Israel Jacob muno. Adibisa bia ni mu. There is no enchantment against Jacob. There is no enchantment against Jacob. Tu chantem ya ina enya no. Je Kristo fo amotete ona. Obi na eya me, na obi na eya me, na wo mobo. Die oji Yesu di nukremu a. Wa na betima ya wo. What I say? Who come Matthew 28? Verse 18 to 21 was in a menemo, and then you know the Cosi we are seeing. What does that mean? I hear from the Bible to us about some new war. Yes, let's say one new war. Huh? What do you home about? And see, Exodus 20, verse 5 for no me as a fool. Exodus 20, verse 6 in Shirasefo. Because they will be a breaking case. The Abobi and the Mubicha, a Yamuda. This is a Moja BPM. Asante so bi ko for ba bi wo wura mu ha yes the all fari it is okay guy saboni a wo it is okay guy ompo mu pemoja ewo what I say in John chapter 1 verse 29 the holy general play ka so onyankopon dwan na wo yi wiase bone ko oni na ba Matthew 26 verse 26 wa Yesu was when me moja moja pamfoforo moja bi hwegu ama nipa bebre bɔ ne fefe enti wonya ba Yesu ntan esakra no kore mu ha bo se woni Yakobon ayapa e woni domum enti obe buawo ehirawo awonto atoaso a woyɛ o ma do no no ba be kan Exodus 20 verse 6 no ba be kan ti no mi ni usu biem o se na no me na dania be nhira ti eye de dikan sakra wa twin nya gen sakra na ko be nsane bia ko be di tro no bia ko be si tutu no bia ko be tempra no bia enya bia repent sakra wa twin Proverbs chapter 20 verse 13 o kata umra to so wo nye pompo ne mo pa mu kan na o jaya obehu mo bo tika pa mu kan bo ne kire Yesu ne sie tina sere se wo hu mo bo fa bo ne ncho na wo kire wo din sha ne nkwa mu manum from that time enkoye bo ne piem ko no ko to bo ne so no me ne be samba ye so me ba te ba ni musa be be na so but short time bi o ne mi sha ba me fa 5 minutes in music here Radisha. Because I want to tell me real repentance against that same papa. You could reform in such a becoming son. As I said, Zokano no biayaka. As I said, Zokano and Party. Once or by we and 1 day. What in a trip pan? So I saw the secretary. Who told you I don't born your way? Who did the cab now for bar? I could hear her a better say in say a lot more bitters. But in Sasa, the wire. Who told you no born in us? Did the curse will never depart from you? You are saying, did you get kind Sakrawati? For you, Sakrawati, can believe in Christ and stay away from any evil. Trust the kiss for him. Yes, and Yachimuni, Kohini. Who sees our day battle? What parents was any powers or yes, we are Christian. What come and was any powers or a Christian? Who will be Naka, who will be one to know. We are free from evil, free from sin. When somebody be a new hope, you will be chasing. Yes, we are to do for any young person. To send the party and be enemy hope. But they were more so we never say what. Just me. They are also two. Yes, restitution. Genesis chapter 20, verse 7. Nyankopon ka se redeem like akofa Sara obi ye say dan wo bare ma na yire command dan wo bare ma na yire command anya say wu na wo bewu obi ade na nkombone so obedi wo wo wi o mani sika di suku a wo kire mo de no enkola school fees na wo wi di aso de sika na wo wi di wo fo obi yire wo to aware so jali pa ko yire command no ya so di yo ni ma bia wo nim se wa fom nipa wo mu no o se agensaka repentance no ya woni Yankopon ntam ana restitution no ya woni nipa ntam o ja sabna se to ko chapter 24 verse 6 Paul se media man for sorry and Paul ye exercise jogging media ni se be so be ho ahwe be honi ma be se be nya honi mu a emu fo e wo nipa eni Yankopon ni mu da restitution Sakio so ba ya Luke chapter 19 verse 8 was say we be Yesu wu Sakio fie Yesu am preacher je Sakio Sakio na ne hunu sa dabi obi kuna teninche nye me fa ni pakuru nkoma obi sika ma fa kwambo Yesu agi nye me fa ni pakuru sika nkoma wose me na me nkonto mpoko asoba di obi bibia bo hu preman ni pakuru ade akoma Sakio ye free and why Yesu kaza feina enkwanche abafia obi ade na nkwambo ne so dawo we are student we are school books sa egu dem what was our saka udiago ti asomni dio udiago Ezekiel chapter 33 verse 14 and 15. Was so upon or the bonye ta boni no what na wo asibie koma asa de ma wo fom wo mu no wo ne bakwa de kokoma no wi obi ayo wo de obi kum obi yire obi bibi kwambone so mfa nkosako e ma bro sama de meto wo ye siesie wi pe consecrate yourself to God to who cha wade and to who cha bosom any wi asesem to who cha wade apete se ba ho nko hobiem to which I would say root no free Moab and so the two much empty one go prayer warriors to be answered one go for deep will be answered the two much empty root in your chair now see you be yes no man no free Moab so the no man be a careful just me I said the toss be toss of 5 brother ma so for be a man go say I want some more pie no just me the time no na kontia kaya asatana so wo ye wudini papa nti no bra wo sakra Yesu agye no enso soma Ananias ko ne chese Ananias ko bompa ensa no mfiri sa no me kase Yesu agye wo ti asofo bebre ho mo hia se asofo konkron mo yakopon ho de wo mo so e de wo mo se gu mo so bompa mo itimi ba wo aka se Yesu agye wo wa sakra agye wo back wo hia asofo nsa asofo ni nsa wo bompa mo e di so di wo na so ehum bi Acts chapter 9 verse 3 verse 4 verse 10 to 12 and verse 17 but Jesus is called Obompaye they were who ni so ade say obi ba me ncha be bompaye ama na so Ananias call Osuani Ananias ye trofon Osuani Ananias call ne ko bompaye ma ko bompaye ma no apet na so e free ye o me fa de ni sia na me adomo ta foforo be ban ko fo bi ku the demonic names edi anka say daddy person also Yesu dia no oko Luke chapter 1 verse 57 Johannes boni ana ye hela to the special ko ana Yesu dia no so Philippians chapter 2 verse 9 was dum ye dia ti di bi o ba adumu wa ga odi ade ato se fe ko yobo so mpem bo so ma pem ne so o be da wa ye nti di bebre ko Nyankopon se san so be ye Paul Simon Peter no e be ye Kefa ana Jacob so be Israel ana Ben Oni e be Benjamin ana James and John so be Bonages wọ́n sọ ṣe sangiri bebree te no mi di da so e wo duma
me sha di sam no ana mu say sha ba bi ani pa tu ni pa go no wrong
bia
e ba so dia say you walk Christ no odi adanse say was say something to say
you may now subscribe.